बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। How are you dear students? I hope you all are fine. Students, welcome to the lesson number 1 of unit number 6 from Iqra Applied Grammar 1. Students, I hope you have completed first 5 units and you might be waiting for unit number 6. So without wasting your time, let's start our today's lesson. Okay my dear students, we have turned our pages for unit number 6 as you can see, and you will mark today's date here, and we are going to attend the first segment, which is grammar in use. So be ready. Okay my dear students, as always we will sing the given poem aloud together. So let's start singing this poem with me. Leaves are falling, leaves are falling to the ground without a sound. Days are getting shorter, nights are growing longer. Fall is here, fall is here. Okay my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed yourself singing this poem aloud together. Now let's have a look to the words which are written in green color. क्या आप जानते हैं जो वर्ड ग्रीन कलर में मेंशन है वो हमें क्या शो कर रहे हैं, हमें क्या बता रहे हैं? Are falling, are carrying, are growing. These words are telling us present continuous tense. Yes, today's topic is present continuous tense, जो हमें यहाँ से हम देख सकते हैं leaves are falling, days are getting shorter, nights are growing longer. These sentences are telling us about present continuous tense. You know what is the meaning of present continuous tense? Present continuous tense tells us about the ongoing action. जो काम जारी हो, प्रेजेंट में जो काम जारी हो उस सेंटेंस को या उसको हम प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस बोलेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, it talks about the action going on in front of our eyes. जो इस वक्त काम हमारे सामने हो रहा है उसको हम प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस बोलेंगे. स्टूडेंट्स, आर यू गेटिंग मी? प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस टेल्स अस अबाउट द ऑनगोइंग एक्शन. ऑनगोइंग मीन राइट नाउ. व्हाट आर वी डूइंग राइट नाउ? इस टाइम हम क्या कर रहे हैं? दैट टेंस कॉल्ड प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट विच इज लर्न ग्रामर. Students, as you can see, present continuous tense describes an ongoing action. Ongoing action हमने पहले भी जैसे बात की, the action which is happening in front of our eyes, जो हमारी आंखों के सामने इस टाइम काम हो रहा है वो present continuous tense है. For example, I am teaching you, I am pointing towards this box. आर यू गेटिंग ना? ये हम इस टाइम ये काम हो रहे हैं ना. आई एम स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश लाइक दिस. द एक्शन विच आर ऑन गोइंग राइट नाउ आर कॉल्ड प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? लेट्स हैव अ लुक टुवर्ड्स एन एक्टिविटी इन ऑर्डर टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस सेगमेंट. ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लर्न ग्रामर का सेगमेंट हमें अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए यहाँ कुछ एग्जांपल्स पे फोकस करना पड़ेगा कि हम प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस को किस तरह से समझ सकते हैं. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस मीन्स ऑनगोइंग एक्शंस. दिस टेंस शोज ऑनगोइंग एक्शंस, एक्शंस विच आर हैपनिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ आवर आइज. जो एक्शंस हमारी आंखों के सामने हो रहे होते हैं हम उन्हें प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस बोलते हैं. कॉन्टिन्यूस मीन जारी, जो काम जारी है. नाउ लेट्स हैव अ लुक फॉर द एग्जांपल्स. As for first examples, I would like to cut this. I am cutting a piece of chart. I am cutting a piece of chart, like this. Cutting. Can you see, students? Cutting. First one, cutting. Am. I will pick from here. Present. Present में हम is, am, are यूज़ करते हैं और continuous के लिए हमें action यूज़ करना है. Okay, students? Next one. For the second example, I am sharpening a pencil. I am sharpening a pencil. Clear, students? Sharpening. Next example. Next one. I am writing on the board. I am writing on the board. Clear, students? Writing. And last one, am हम यहाँ से choose करेंगे because the pronoun is I. We use I with am ना. Like this हमने revise भी किया तो unit number 1 में. Last one, I am erasing. I am erasing. Clear, students? जो हमने अभी write किया है उसको मैंने आपको erase करके दिखाया है. Clear, students? So like this you will use is, am, are plus action in present continuous tense. Is for singular, am for I, are for plurals. Clear, students? Singular means singular nouns and pronouns. Am with I and are with plural nouns and pronouns. और हमारे पास कौन कौन सी singular pronouns हैं बेटा? हमने पढ़ा था ना? एक मिनट पर रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. He is, she is, it is, like this. And plural pronouns that we have, let's have a look for those plural pronouns. We are, they are, you are. Clear, students? Like this you will understand this topic, and for more best understanding, let's have a look for interesting examples. For more interesting examples. Okay, students, for getting best understanding, you can use the pronouns with the full examples also, like she is cutting a piece of chart, he is sharpening his pencil, you are writing something, they are erasing, and we are cutting. Clear, students? Like this you can make full sentences also, and we use is with singular, am with I, are with plurals. Okay, students, can you tell me what is the giraffe doing? Yes, it is eating grass. It is eating grass. Next one. Students, we can say the snake is creeping. The snake is creeping. Snake के चलने को कहते हैं उर्दू में रेंगना, और इसको इंग्लिश में creeping बोलते हैं. Now we have two snakes. We can say the snakes are creeping. The snakes are creeping. Clear, students? Another example we can say I am stretching the rubber band. I am stretching the rubber band. Clear, students? Students, what can we say for this picture? The lion is attacking on the dog. The lion is attacking on the dog. Clear, students? Present continuous tense. It tells us ongoing action. Okay, students, let's have a look from applied grammar of the next segment, learn grammar. I am reading a storybook. I am not reading a storybook. We are reading a storybook. We are not reading a storybook. You are reading a storybook. You are not reading a storybook. he is reading a storybook. He is not reading a storybook. She is reading a storybook. She is not reading a storybook. They are reading a storybook. They are not reading a storybook. I with am, we, they, we, you, and they also. Are, he, she, it with is. Clear, students? And you can use the not with negative sentences, and then you will use action also, and it's your present continuous tense. I for am for I, is for singular, are for plurals. Clear, students? You will keep this in your mind. जो हमने यूनिट नंबर 1 में भी पढ़ा था, अच्छे से आपने इस टॉपिक की प्रैक्टिस करनी है और आपने इसको ऑर्डरली अंडरस्टैंड करना है. वी विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट लेसन. टिल देन टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.